Unraveling the mystery of idiomatic expressions in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting part of the English language, idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions are phrases that have a meaning different from the literal definition of the words in them. It's like a secret code within the language, and today, we'll be your guide to cracking that code. Idiomatic expressions are used in casual, informal writing and conversation. Let's get started. Idiomatic expressions are phrases that carry a specific meaning that's often not related to the individual words themselves. For example, the phrase, break a leg, doesn't mean to literally break someone's leg but is a way to wish someone good luck. These expressions add color and local flavor to the language and can make your English sound more natural and native-like. Let's explore some widely used idiomatic expressions. Bite the bullet. This means to face a difficult or unpleasant task courageously. The ball is in your court. This means that it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Beat around the bush. This refers to avoiding the main point or speaking indirectly about a subject. Cut to the chase. This means to get to the point and stop wasting time on unnecessary details. Understanding these expressions can significantly enhance your reading and conversational skills in English. Using idiomatic expressions appropriately requires understanding the context in which they're used. Here are some tips. 1. Learn with context. Try to learn these expressions in the context of a conversation or sentence. 2. Practice with examples. Make your own sentences using these idioms to understand their practical applications. 3. Avoid overuse. While idiomatic expressions can make your language lively, overusing them can make your speech or writing confusing. Balance is key. Idiomatic expressions can be challenging for non-native speakers due to cultural differences and the non-literal meanings of the phrases. But don't worry. With regular practice, exposure to native content, and using resources like this video, you'll become more comfortable with them over time. Idiomatic expressions are like the spices in the dish of the English language, adding flavor and personality. We hope this video has helped you grasp the intriguing world of idiomatic expressions in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these expressions like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.